coming out of the national park and it's just like you're getting bombarded with text, but your text tone is a sex sound.
Okay, so guys.
It's like, yeah.
It's 7 a.m. right now. It's like your tongue's going crazy.
How do you do that so good?
I just do it with like. What?
It's like going one side to the other.
It's like a teeter-totter.
Dude, yeah. It's, I don't know. When I was a kid, I used to always just like make weird little like sounds. And
It is 37 degrees, and the good news is that by the time we're highlining, it'll be 46.
The one thing to say, that the great land has shone upon it all of the sunshine, and the spirits have blessed the Highline with all of the eagles, and to that I say,
We made it.
This is the tensioning side because over here you have a little bit of ledge.
Okay.
Okay. You can take a personal daisy chain and clip it to the anchor or the master point, and then from there you can extend the little wafer chip that you got.
Oh, see.
And
Oh, see.
over there, sheer drop.
Okay.
Nothing. I am going to pull the rope as tight as I can, put it into the devices.
So,
Then my friend over here, Mr. Robinson,
yeah, hello.
he will then put the line grip on, pulling tension tight, tight, tight.
So, can I ask you a question? So, you want me to go down there and pull?
Yes!
So this is a master point right here. Well, this is an anchor. We're gonna build the anchor and then attach the master point. Master point is the point where
All three ends come together.
Yes. One of the beautiful things about highlining, one of the reasons I love it, is how safe it is and how like backups have backups of backups.
Yeah.
Truthfully, you could rig off of one of these because the strength rating on this is, these are 40 kilonewtons. This is so strong you could probably attach all three of our vehicles to it and bounce them.
Yeah. Wow.
It'd probably be okay.
Total.
Yeah.
Ooh, a 3.
1, go. I got some wiggle on this line.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Come on. Yeah.
Alright, yeah, I felt it. That's a whip.
So the natural human tendency when you get scared as fuck, what's the human body do? Fetal position. So the irony about highlining is you have to do exactly the opposite. So when you get freaked out and you're getting scared, make yourself big, really big, like reach as far as you can. And that'll soften the line.
This is the start of how it all ends. Pull the knives out my back for my own friends.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I'm surrounded by light, and I have everything but nothing at all. Everything I touch turns to gold. Ooh, my heart is still wild. People crave to watch me fall. Everything I touch turns to gold.
Dude.
damn close. Oh, that's what's up. Yeah, you're so close, dude. You're getting, like, we're getting way more comfortable, it seems like.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just need to spend more time out there.
Yeah.
All right, dude, you killed it today.
I wouldn't say killed it. I got up and I walked, and it took a while, a lot of encouragement, and I love this. I really, what a great morning, dude. I couldn't be happier. Trying to like channel both of these guys. They're both experts, and they're both giving me amazing advice. I'm trying to pick and choose which advice works best for me. So like, I really channeled Ryan's like strength in the beginning on the stand-up, because you have to overpower all the wiggle and stuff like that, so be really strong in your base. And then once I stood up, I would channel Ray's balance and how soft he is on the line and squaring shoulders. So it's really cool to just be learning from two living legends, man. I am so thankful to have them as friends. Now we're going to Trona Pinnacles. This is part 2. So I've never been. This is BLM land, kind of near Death Valley, and there's supposedly 500 spires that shoot out of the ground, and it's just this really incredible desert terrain. So yeah, it's gonna be more good people, more cool places, more showing Booey the world.
More Booey. How's it feel?
Squirrely as hell.
Dude, one of us is gonna eat it so bad today.
These guys have been doing this since like 2015. They've all been working at the company. Day one for us. Alright. We got Brennen here about to try a stunt. 10 miles per hour, about to hit this jump. Oh shit!
Let's go.
That was a good save. So our friend Austin brought a helicopter out to Trona Pinnacles. So let's go see what it looks like from the air.
You ready, Mr. Handsome?
Does this tell you if I'm freaking ready or not, dude? Yeah, I'm ready.
And then we can go. So go ahead, climb up there.
Cool.
I'll help you get your seatbelt on and stuff.